Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we're going to share with you one that's the session never see. This is Progress the Analyst, and there is every reason why you need to subscribe to our channel because here we give you all the updates. Now, sit at home still continue. You guys know that today, Monday, 13th January 2025. A lot of the governors said there is no longer sit at home. Oh, these people, they are not sitting at home anymore. But you know the reason why the people are sitting at home. It's a reason. And I want to listen carefully to every details of this update. And I'll be right back.
Lovers of freedom, good morning, and I welcome you this very wonderful day, 13th of January 2025, and may the good God continue to bless each and every one of us and our families. Today I want to talk to the governor of Enugu State once again, that today we have recorded the highest sit at home in the history of Enugu State. And to make Peter Mba to understand that he doesn't own Biafrans, Biafrans owns him. He's just one man and one voice. His voice cannot intimidate our people in Biafran land. Biafrans have their say, and today the world have heard you. Everywhere in Biafran land, most especially Enugu State and Anambra, is completely locked down under lock and key, which I'm going to show you the video very soon. So, Peter Mba, this is to tell you that you don't own the citizens of Enugu State. They own you. They decide what happens in their state. Today, you can see how they have disgraced you and they have made you to look stupid before the world. The world is seeing what is happening. The highest number of sit at home is recorded today, being the 13th day of January 2025. This is why we tell you people that Peter Mba is a thief, a criminal. That is who they are. They are Fulani's houseboy. And for this same reason, the Enugu State's voice has been heard. Thank you so much for complying with the sit-at-home order. This is the only way that the Biafran's voice will be heard loud and clear for the immediate release of Mazi Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu that is illegally detained in DSS custody in Abuja. And this must stop. Now, Peter Mba, if you want to stop the sit-at-home, it is just very clear and very straightforward. Go to that same Abuja that you are promising the criminal president of Nigeria, Tinubu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released before any sit-at-home can stop. When you release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see that sit-at-home will die a natural death. So this is our plea to you. Go to that same Abuja and tell Tinubu, the criminal president of Nigeria, the thief, a drug lord of Nigerian president, that sit-at-home cannot stop until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. Let them solve the problem of sit-at-home by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And that is what Biafrans are waiting for. And secondly, if sit-at-home must stop by you, Governor, I don't think you even deserve me calling you governor, Peter Mba of Enugu State. If you must stop sit-at-home, please come to Finland with your evidences that you say you have against Simon Ekpa that is destroying the southeast and is causing insecurity in the southeast. And again, Governor Peter Mba, if you must stop the sit-at-home in Enugu State, make sure you resign so that sit-at-home will stop, and a new governor must take over that place that can secure lives and property until the world has totally recognized us until the world has totally recognized our independent nation. This is the three things you must do so that sit-at-home will die a natural death. Without this, don't ever threaten our citizens again. Do not, Peter Mba, threaten our citizens again. If you do, then you have the government of Biafran United States of Biafra to contend with. That is number 4. Now, Governor Soludo, we have now seen that your state is now under siege and you can no longer control what is going on there. People are being unalived every single day. Kidnapping is going on in your state and nothing, you cannot do anything on that state anymore. So we as well ask you to resign because you people are sitting on time bomb. We don't want to come and start evicting you people by force. Just today resign and let the government of Biafra take over your state, because you cannot protect the citizens of the state. And please desist from threatening our people that if they don't come to shop, if they don't open their markets, you will detain them, you will lock up their shops. Stop threatening our people. This is the only way that they could make their voice to be heard. This is the only way that they are in compliance with the civil disobedience on releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Please desist from threatening the Biafrans. Desist. It is not your money that is missing. It is not your money. It is their money. The government has never helped any individual in Biafran land to raise money for any loss. So please desist from threatening our people. Now, time would come very soon. Very soon, time will come when we would ban Tinubu from entering the whole of Southeast. Time is coming when we will ban the terrorist president of Nigeria to stop entering the Southeast. Time is coming and is approaching very fast. We are going to ban him. You cannot unalive our people and still enter the same land where you are unaliving our people. Time is coming. We will ban you from coming to our state. Time is coming. All those people that put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, detain them, all those DSS criminals that connived with whoever they might have connived with to sell out Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Time is coming. All of you, and I mean everyone, every single one of you, will be banned from entering the Southeast, including those of you who wrote petitions against our leader Mazi Simon Ekpa. Time is coming when we will petition all of you. We will petition you and ban you from entering the Southeast. And most especially, time is coming when we will come and arrest all of you with legal documentation for fraudulently defrauding our people and unaliving them. Time is coming. Those of you that wrote to the Finnish authority, we have your names and we're going to send it to the appropriate authority when this whole investigation is over, for immediate review, so that we will know where we place all of you, because you cannot be a sabo and keep walking freely in Biafran land. The same Biafrans that you have given power to the government officials to unalive. You cannot unalive our people and expect to come to that same village and have peace. It will never happen until our leader comes out, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa. We will give you people the chase of your life, heat of your life. You don't know. You think when we talk just because we want to. I see some people writing rubbish on my comment section that I'm a content creator. I don't blame you. It is not your brother or mother's life that is being wasted. And I pray that all of you that are saying these things against me, that I am here making, I pray that may this unaliving that they are unaliving our people get to you, because you people are evil. Nigerian state is evil. Nigerian government is evil. I'm telling you, Tinubu is the most blood-sucking demon I've ever seen in the history of presidency. It has never been like this before. So we will continue to do what we're doing so that freedom at last will come to Biafrans. And we are already free. So our international lobbies are what Madam Ngozi Orabueze is doing. So a lot of countries are recognizing Biafra. And we thank her for what she's doing. She should do more. People are losing their lives in the Southeast. Mazi Simon Ekpa is attending to legal issues that matters. And those legal issues that he's attending to, in fact, is hitting Nigeria very, very hard, I tell you. Tinubu is in trouble. You know, Mazi Simon Ekpa said he will be the end of Nigeria, and that is coming to stay. That is coming to pass. It's going to come to pass. Believe you me. I don't care if you believe or not. But one thing is sacrosanct, that Tinubu will be the last president that will suffer Biafran again in this very era. I'm telling you people the truth. Because Mazi Simon Ekpa is attending to legal issues, and he's going to finish very soon. Thank you so much, Biafrans, for listening to me. These are the videos of the sit-at-home today.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I keep giving you all the updates back to back. Thank you and bye for now.